If you're setting up your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro for the first time, this guide will walk you through the entire process one step at a time. Before you begin, make sure you got everything you need. You need a modem or router with an active internet connection from your ISP, of course the Nest Wi-Fi Pro, the included power adapter, and the Ethernet cable. And you'll need a phone with the latest version of Google Home app signed into your Google account. We're going to talk about it later. Now, first, we're going to just connect the power adapter to your Nest and just plug it into a working power outlet. Now, you need to connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the LAN port from either your router or modem, and then plug in another side to this WAN port on the Nest Wi-Fi marked with the globe icon. And for the best Wi-Fi coverage, place the Nest Wi-Fi on a flat open surface away from large metal objects, heavy furniture, and stuff like that. Now, after plugging it in, wait about a minute for it to boot. When the LED changes from pulsing white to pulsing blue, it's ready for setup. Now, you need to install the Google Home app on your smartphone. After the installation is done, just complete any initial setup if you haven't already, and just go ahead and allow all the required permissions when prompted. And then you gotta just sign in with your Google account in there. So from your app dashboard or in your home screen, just tap Add Device in the center, or you can tap on this plus icon and select Device. Next, you gotta choose Google Nest or Partner Device. And then you can select your existing home, or you can create a new one. Allow location access when prompted, then tap Continue. The app will search for nearby devices. Once your Nest Wi-Fi Pro appears on it, just tap Next. To allow camera access, you gotta tap on Scan Code option, then grab your device and just scan the QR code on the bottom of the Nest Wi-Fi. And when prompted to join the setup network, tap Join. Right now, if you look carefully, you'll see the blue LED is pulsating more rapidly. Next, you're going to create a Wi-Fi network name and password. Just follow a couple of more prompts. Accept the terms if you agree, choose a room for the device, and just let the app check for updates. Your Nest Wi-Fi will create your Wi-Fi network after that. This can take several minutes, don't worry about that. Now, once it's connected, you'll have the option to set up additional Nest Wi-Fi devices if you got them. And then just continue through the remaining prompts and allow home network access if required. Now, the router may restart during this final stage of setup. When everything is complete, you will see a summary showing your Wi-Fi network's name, password, and room. Tap on Continue, and that's it. Your Nest Wi-Fi Pro will appear on your Google Home dashboard. You can now just go ahead and connect your devices to your new Wi-Fi network. And at any time, you can open the Nest Wi-Fi in the Google Home app just to check your network status by running an internet speed test. Or additionally, you can tap on this settings icon to view more information, and from here, you can customize your network settings. That's all for today. Let us know your experience with this router. Thanks for your time.